Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome dear students. I hope you are all doing well and living a good and healthy life. So dear students, today we will start lesson 4 from unit 4, which is sentences. So the first one exercise is make sentences from the table. Here is a table given, and what you have to do is you will make sentences from these words in this table. Okay, here is an example. When it's hot, I drink a lot of water. So let's start. When it's hot, I go swimming. When it's cold, comma, I wear a pullover. When I'm tired, comma, I go to bed. When I am thirsty, comma, I drink a lot of water. When I am hungry, comma, I have an apple. Now exercise 2 is make sentences for these pictures with the help of the given words. So words given in this table, and you will make sentences from these words. So dear students, number 1 is heat water, it turns steam. So the sentence will be, when you heat water, it turns to steam. When you heat water, it turns to steam. Number 2 is put water freezer, it turn ice. So the sentence will be, when you put water in the freezer, it turns to ice. When you put water in the freezer, it turns to ice. Number 3 is throw water onto fire, it go out. So the sentence will be, when you throw water onto a fire, it goes out. When you throw water onto a fire, it goes out. Number 4 is arrive at crossroads, go straight on. So the sentence will be, when you arrive at the crossroads, go straight on. When you arrive at the crossroads, go straight on. Number 5 is reach and go over bridge. So the sentence will be, when you reach the end of the road, go over the bridge. When you reach the end of the road, go over the bridge. 6 is get to station, get off bus. When you get to the station, get off the bus. When you get to the station, get off the bus. Now dear students, here we have exercise 3. Write the advice to visitors. Leaflet in your notebook with correct punctuation. So dear students, you will have to write exercise 3 in your notebooks with the correct punctuation. So here is an example. When you see a shark in the sea, don't go swimming. When you see a shark in the sea, here is a comma after the word see. Don't, here is an apostrophe in the word don't. Go swimming. Okay, here is another example. Don't walk on the beach when it's dark. So here is an apostrophe in the word don't after n or between n and t. This is called apostrophe. Walk on the beach when it's dark. Here is another apostrophe. Okay, so now These are the sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, when you are cycling in town, here you will mark a comma. Follow the safety rules, and here is a full stop. When you are walking in the city center, here is again a comma. Okay, cross the street at the traffic lights, and here is a full stop. Don't drink water from streams when you are in mountains. So here is an apostrophe, and the alphabet D or the letter will be capital. So here you will write capital D, and here you will mark apostrophe, and here is a full stop. Now carry a torch when you are walking in the hills at night. So here letter is small, but the correct letter will be a capital C. Okay, so here C will be capital. Fifth is when the weather is very hot, remember to drink plenty of water. So here is a full stop, and here is again a comma after the word hot. So dear students, this was your lecture for today, and you have to write exercise 3 in your notebooks, and this is your homework. Okay dear students, take care. Allah Hafiz.